What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Today we are going to the Dorado Nature Center. Let's go. Alright guys, we have arrived. I haven't been here in like 10 years or so it's gonna be sort of like a new adventure for me as well. I'm sure some things have changed, but I'm excited to check it out. And we got the camera here so we can take some cool pictures. And yeah, let's go. This looks like it's the entrance. With my camera in hand and excitement in my heart, I was ready to explore. Got this cool little pond. So there's supposed to be a bunch of turtles that are here as well. See if we could come across one today. Another cool bridge, little ramps for the turtles, but no turtles yet. Good morning. I was so excited to go down my first trail. There were so many trees. The breeze on my face felt so good. The bird's song was beautiful, and the air smelled oh so sweet. It's so green here too. Not Oregon green, but definitely California green, and it's just amazing. It's beautiful. It smells so good here too. You know what, before I came across that sign, the scent, it was so familiar, and now I realize that it's sage. Dude, this place is so freaking cool. I'm gonna start coming here more often. And you know, for being a Friday morning, I know it's summer, but it's Friday morning, and it looks like bamboo. don't think it is. It's not, but anyways, like I was saying, it's Friday morning, and you would think a lot of people would still be at work and stuff, but the parking lot was pretty packed when I pulled in. You wouldn't be able to tell on this trail, as like I'm not running into too many people, but the place is so big. Okay, there's actually two different ways you can go. There is a 1/4 mile trail and there is a 1 and 2 mile trail. I just finished the 1/4 mile trail. Bless you. And now I am going to go on the 1 and 2 mile trail. I did notice the difference though, and I saw a sign for it. Yeah, sorry. For the 1/4 mile trail, it is paved. It is all paved. And so if you come in a wheelchair, you can do this 1/4 mile trail no problemo. Now looking at the 1 and 2 mile trail, this one is not paved. So I'm about to head on this one now, and yeah, let's see what we find here. See, another map. I love maps. We are here and we just did this paved 1/4 mile trail. Now we're gonna go check out this dirt trail. All right. Just came across a cool bird. Don't know what it is quite yet, but I will find out. It looks so nice with the reflection of the sky and the trees and the clouds. Yay, our first turtle. Just sunbathing. It seems this dirt trail is the most popular trail, and I could see why. I've already seen a little bit more wildlife on this side. And you're walking along the pond, so that's kind of cool. After having the sighting of what I think is a green heron and my first turtle, I continued on with the path. We got another turtle. Hey, buddy. Just keep swimming, just keep swimming. Or float. This place is beautiful. It's magical. It is a very nice place to come and go for a nature walk where it really feels like you're lost somewhere that's out of the city. By the way, I've been getting so many compliments on my shirt. It's my Game of Thrones shirt, my Game of Thrones / book shirt. It says, "It's what I do. I read and I know things." If you know me, you know I love Game of Thrones. I mean, my cat's name is Tyrion. But yeah, I've been stopped like at least 7 times with people complimenting my shirt, and I love it.
Classic.
Good morning.
I love your t-shirt.
Thank you.
Let me see. I didn't see it. You know what? I got that for my daughter.
Yeah.
I got her that. But there's so many I want to get her.
Kindred souls here.
Yeah.
That was an example of the first compliment of the day. Now let's get on with the path. So they have these little benches all around the nature center here where you can sit and look at nature. Right now I'm sitting by the pond, by a portion of the pond anyways, but it's nice. Just as I was about to leave this spot to continue on my walk, we got a couple ducks swimming through. Taking a little sip of water. Oh yeah. And then you just come out of that like dark forest into this bright light. We get some sky here. So cool. And we have turtle number 3. It's kind of chilling there. He looks a little different than the other ones. Oh no, never mind. Just looking at him from a different angle, I guess. But I know there are different types of species of turtles here. This is one of the common ones. I forget what they're called. I used to call them red-eared snappers, but I don't believe that's what they are. But I will find their correct name. Alright, later, buddy. This is a great place to get your explorer eyes on because there's so much to see and spot. I was in such awe by all the trees and the way their branches formed. It kind of felt like I was in Lord of the Rings, surrounded by all of the Ents. And Treebeard was about to wake up. Now the terrain got sandy. Instead of just like dirt. It's like we're at the beach. This is so cool. And now we're back inside a forest. These super green branches. And on we go. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little lost. But you know what? I'm just staying on the trail, and I know eventually it will lead me somewhere. But a little while back there, I came across another sign that said 1 mile this way and 2 mile the other way. And I was like, what the heck? I'll go for the 2 mile one. Which is weird because I thought I was already on the 2 mile one, which I am. But look at this cool tree. It's all old. Possibly dead and rotting, but still cool. All right, I think I'm almost completing this because we're back at the big lake. Oh, unless this is another one. I did read there was 2 on the map. So this very possibly, definitely actually is the second big lake I saw on the map. Because the first one you would be able to see the visitor center over there. So this is the second big lake. Ooh, I think... Oh no, never mind. I just sat and checked my map, and I am for sure at the South Lake. So I'm at the second lake right now. And this lake is full of turtles. It has a whole lot more turtles than I've seen so far. But then again, I wasn't this close to the North Lake. But here I can see like a lot of turtles just sitting on logs. When I get up, I'll take some video of them. There's another turtle. They're all over this pond. So there's 1, and then there's 2. I think that would make like 4 and 5 already of what I've seen. Oh, there's another one. These guys are all over the place here. Oh, here we go. Here's another one. He's joining the party. We got one more little guy down there. It's turtly fun. And then we have a little duck sleeping on the branch here. Alright, turtles. It was nice hanging out. I'm gonna move on. You guys have a good swim. Later. At this point, I reached the end of the trail, and I got greeted by a bunch of turtles sunbathing on their logs and ramps. And before I left, I wanted to take a quick look around the visitor center. Guys, I am just leaving Dorado Nature Center, and this place is freaking awesome. This is now my favorite place to go. Excuse me. It was just so beautiful, and there was so much wildlife to see, and okay, well, a lot of turtles to see, let's just say that. Turtles and squirrels. But I had an absolute blast. I will definitely be coming back here a few times. Whoa, sorry, it's a bit rocky. But yeah, I had an absolute blast. And once again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And once again, have a good week.